50 ways to say but in Filipino using the Tagalog word pero. Pero. Mahal ito pero sulit naman. It's expensive but it's worth it. Kailangan ko yon pero hindi ko mahanap. I need it but I can't find it. Gusto kong magpahinga pero may trabaho pa ako. I want to rest but I have work to do. Nagluto ako pero hindi masarap. I cooked but it tastes bad. Luma na pero gumagana pa. It's old but it still works. Handa na ako pero kinakabahan ako. I'm ready but I'm nervous. Sinubukan ko pero walang nangyari. I tried but nothing worked. Gusto kong tumulong pero marami akong ginagawa. I want to help but I'm busy. Binasa ko pero hindi ko naintindihan. I read it but I didn't understand. Madali pero matrabaho. It's easy but it's labor intensive. Gusto ko ang kape pero mas gusto ko ang tsaa. I like coffee but I prefer tea. Magaling siyang kumanta pero hindi siya marunong sumayaw. She sings well but she can't dance. Malayo pero pwede tayong maglakad. It's far but we can walk. Humingi na siya ng tawad pero galit pa rin ako. He already apologized but I'm still upset. Gusto ko siya pero minsan naiinis ako sa kanya. I like him but he annoys me sometimes. Nangako siya pero nakalimutan naman niya. He promised but he forgot. Nakaipon ako pero hindi sapat. I saved money but it wasn't enough. May kotse ako pero mas gusto kong maglakad. I have a car but I prefer to walk. Umuulan pero kailangan kong lumabas. It's raining but I have to go out. Nag-away kami pero nagkabati rin kami. We had a fight but we made up. Maganda pero hindi ko kayang bilhin. It's nice but I can't afford it. Mahirap pero kaya ko. It's difficult but I can do it. Totoo pero mahirap paniwalaan. It's true but it's hard to believe. Matalino siya pero tamad. She's smart but she's lazy. Maaga akong nagising pero nahuli pa rin ako. I woke up early but I was still late. Binili ko pero hindi ko gusto. I bought it but I don't like it. Narinig kita pero hindi kita nakita. I heard you but I didn't see you. Tinawagan niya ako pero hindi ko nasagot. He called me but I missed it. Mayaman siya pero mapagpakumbaba siya. He's rich but he's humble. Dumating siya pero hindi siya nagtagal. She came but she didn't stay long. Maliit pero mabigat. It's small but it's heavy. Gusto kong pumunta pero hindi pwede. I want to go but I can't. Tinext kita pero hindi ka sumagot. I texted you but you didn't reply. Pumayag siya pero may kondisyon. She agreed but with conditions. Alam niya pero hindi niya sasabihin. She knows but she won't tell. Pagod na ako pero itinuloy ko pa rin. I was tired but I kept going. Malamig pero wala akong jacket. It's cold but I don't have a jacket. Kilala ko siya pero hindi masyado. I know him but not very well. Madilim pero hindi ako natatakot. It's dark but I'm not scared. Umalis siya pero babalik din yun. He left but he will come back. Nag-aral akong mabuti pero bumagsak pa rin ako sa exam. I studied hard but I still failed the exam. Nabalitaan ko pero hindi ako naniwala. I heard about it but I didn't believe it. Okay naman yung pelikula pero mas maganda ang libro. The movie was okay but the book was better. Gusto ko siya pero hindi niya ako gusto. I like him but he doesn't like me. Nagsalita siya pero walang nakinig. She spoke but no one listened. Nagustuhan niya pero ako ayaw ko. She liked it but I didn't. Gutom na ako pero walang pagkain. I'm hungry but there's no food. Masyadong maasim to pero gusto ko naman. It's too sour but I like it. Ngumiti siya pero malungkot siya. She smiled but she was sad. Pagod na ako pero hindi ako makatulog. I'm tired but I can't sleep.